How to fix you don't have any device error on the Google Play Store on the PC or the laptop. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Google Play Store, scroll down and click on the Android apps on the Google Play. Now once you are in, you have to go on the apps and search for the app which you want to install. Like I am searching for the WhatsApp, and if you go on it, and here is the option that is showing WhatsApp Manager. This app is available all of your devices, but the install option is not showing. What you have to do is go on the library and the devices and click on the devices. Here you have to select the nickname of your device. You have to tick part this, and after this you have to update it. Once you update it, you have to restart your computer, and after that you are able to install or fix these error devices. So this is how you can fix you don't have any device error on the Google Play Store.